I am reading a book. I am reading a book.
She is cooking rice. She is cooking rice. They are playing football. They are playing football. They are playing football. We are watching television. We are watching television. He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter.
The baby is crying. The baby is crying.
The birds are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. We are learning English. We are learning English. He is going to school. He is going to school.
They are working in the field.
They are working in the field. My mother is making tea. My mother is making tea. The teacher is teaching the students. The teacher is teaching the students. The children are dancing. The children are dancing. Rahim is running in the park. Rahim is running in the park. I am listening to music. I am listening to music.
She is cleaning the room. She is cleaning the room.
We are doing our homework.
We are doing our homework. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly.